Welcome to InfiGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we have one very interesting and challenging rational equation which will be solving for the real values of x. So let's get started by writing our denominators cannot be equal to 0. So we will write our answer cannot be -1, -3, -5. Now we are going to rewrite our numerator written terms. So we can write x square plus 3x plus 3. X square plus 3x plus 2 plus 1. This is x square plus 3x plus 3. In denominator we have x plus 1 plus. We'll write x square plus 7x plus 12 and then we'll add 2. So our numerator is x square plus 7x plus 14. Denominator is x plus 3 plus x square plus 10x plus 25. Then we'll add 1 and denominator is x plus 5. RHS is 3x plus 11. Now we have to factor these brackets. So we can write easily x square plus 3x plus 2 is x plus 1 times x plus 2. Then we have plus 1. Denominator is x plus 1 plus x square plus 7x plus 12. We can factor x plus 3 times x plus 4. Then we have plus 2 in the numerator and denominator is x plus 3. Then this is x plus 5 whole square. So we'll write x plus 5 whole square plus 1 over x plus 5. And RHS is 3x plus 11. Now we are going to split our numerators with respect to denominators. So we can write our equation x plus 1 times x plus 2 over x plus 1 plus 1 over x plus 1. This is our first term. Next term we can write x plus 3 times x plus 4 over x plus 3. Then we will write 2 over x plus 3. This is our second term. Now we will write third term, which is x plus 5 whole square over x plus 5. Then we'll write plus 1 over x plus 5. This must be equal to our RHS, which is 3x plus 11. Now we can cancel x plus 1, x plus 1. We can cancel x plus 3, x plus 3. We can cancel x plus 5, x plus 5. So we can write x plus 2 plus 1 over x plus 1 plus x plus 4 plus 2 over x plus 3 plus x plus 5 plus 1 over x plus 5. This must be equal to 3x plus 11. Now we will add x plus 2 with x plus 4 with x plus 5. So x plus x plus x, 3x. 2 plus 4 plus 5, 11. Plus 1 over x plus 1 plus 2 over x plus 3 plus 1 over x plus 5 must be equal to 3x plus 11. Now we are going to subtract 3x plus 11 from both the sides. I will write minus 3x minus 11 minus 3x minus 11. So our RHS will become 0. These two terms will get over. So only these three terms will be left in left hand side. So we can write our equation 1 over x plus 1 plus 2 over x plus 3 plus 1 over x plus 5 equal to 0. Now we are going to use substitution. Let us say x plus 3. Suppose this is equal to u. So from this substitution, we can find the value of x plus 1, which will be equal to u minus 2, and value of x plus 5, which will be equal to u plus 2. So we can write our equation in variable u. 1 over x plus 1 will be 1 over u minus 2 plus 2 over x plus 3 will be 2 over u plus 1 over x plus 5 will be 1 over u plus 2 equal to 0. Now we will club these two terms all together. So we can write 2 over u plus 1 over u minus 2 plus 1 over u plus 2 equal to 0. Now we will take LCM over here. So we will get 2 over u plus u plus 2 plus u minus 2 over u plus 2 times u minus 2 equal to 0. So plus 2 minus 2 will be over. We will get 2 over u plus u will be 2u over a plus b times a minus b, which is difference of two squares identity. So we can write here u square minus 2 square. This must be equal to 0. Now we will take 2 common out. So in bracket we will write 1 over u plus u over u square minus 2 square is 4 equal to 0. So we will write 1 over u plus u over u square minus 4 equal to 0. We will take LCM for the last time. We will get u square minus 4 plus u times u will be u square over u times u square minus 4 equal to 0. So from here we can write 2u square minus 4 in the numerator. Let me write here 2u square minus 4 over u times u square minus 4 equal to 0. From this equation we can write 2u square minus 4. This must be equal to 0. Or we can write 2u square must be equal to 4. Divide both sides by 2. 4 over 2 will be 2. 2 over 2 will be 1. So we can write u square will be equal to 2. After taking a square root both sides, we will write u equal to plus minus square root of 2. This is the value of u. U was our substitution, x plus 3. We will write x plus 3 equal to plus minus square root 2. Now we have to subtract 3 from both the sides to get our final answer. So we can write x will be equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of 2. So we have 2 real x, minus 3 plus square root 2, minus 3 minus square root. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.